Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. I am so glad you're taking these few minutes just for yourself. This short midday meditation is here to help you pause, reset, and come back to center. After just 5 minutes, you'll feel calmer, more focused, and recharged, ready to move through the rest of your day with clarity and ease. There's nothing you need to do perfectly. Just follow along and allow yourself to be present. So let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position or stay standing if you're at your desk. Relax your hands in your lap or by your side. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's take a moment to settle into the breath. Inhale gently and exhale completely. Feel the air as it enters your nose and leaves your body. Let each breath be a small reset, a fresh start. Now, bring your awareness to the body. Notice the sensation of your feet on the ground, your seat on the chair, your spine gently lengthening upward. No need to change anything, just notice. You are here. You are safe. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Simply return to the breath, again and again if needed. Let's take this moment to release the clutter of the day so far. Whatever has already happened, meet it with compassion. Whatever is still ahead, let it wait. Right now, there's only this breath, this moment, this pause. Now silently repeat to yourself, I allow myself to reset. I return to calm. I carry peace into the rest of my day. Let those words settle into your mind. Feel yourself softening, even just a little. Let's take one final deep breath in. Hold it gently and slowly exhale. Bring some gentle movement into your body. Maybe wiggle your fingers or roll your shoulders. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You've just taken a powerful step toward presence and balance. Carry this reset energy with you, and remember, you can return here anytime. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me at Serene Mind Studio. Wishing you a calm and focused rest of your day.